So when you look at those transitional periods of time, where are we, where have we been, let's say over the last 20 years, and where are we going now?
So we are currently still in the industrial age, if you will. And it's interesting to think back in terms of where the industrial age really formed its operating logic. Obviously, it's a couple centuries old, if not more. And the operating logic has been established early on, but evolved. And in my analysis, it looks like actually the 1980s, where the institutions that govern this age really kind of formalized, locked in, if you will. And it's really been since the 1980s that we started this slow walk towards an outdated set of operating logic. So look around you and you can start to see the fracturing of institutions that have carried us through the last 80 years. You start to see stress in every domain. And so when that starts to happen, you start to enter these places that I mentioned where an age starts to transition. And so I believe the last 20 years, and let's go back to like 2005, really represents a period where it started to become clearer that a transition could be underway. And so I really do think, and I named my newsletter this, I think we're inside the next transition and probably have been there for the last 20 plus years.